Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include northwestern Colorado Springs, Woodland Park, Monument, Air Force Academy, Palmer Lake, Black Forest, Glen Eagle, and Pistola. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Severe thunderstorm watch number 361, effective until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Colorado: Baca, Bend, Crowley, El Paso, Huerpano, Kiowa, Los Animas, Otero, Powers, and Pueblo. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
National Weather Service issued severe thunderstorm watch 360.
The National Weather Service